Are you someone who's always trying to gain weight but the scale just won't budge? No matter how much you eat, you don't seem to gain any weight. If that sounds like you, then you're definitely not alone, and no, you're not doing anything wrong. You just need to understand which foods to prioritize and how to increase your calories in a nutrient-dense way so that you have a weight gain that is sustainable and healthy rather than having it through junk food that's only going to worsen your health. Hello, this is Fit Chef, your fit guide to a fit life. Today, let's take a deep dive into foods that can help you increase your weight naturally and sustainably while doing it the right way. So before we jump into the foods today, let's talk about how you gain your weight matters. Whether you're someone who's trying to get fitter in the gym, or you're simply not able to gain weight, or you're just simply trying to put on some pounds, it's important to know how you gain weight. Anyone can binge on junk and put on weight. And I know some of you may be trying to do that and that's not working either. But that's probably because it's very important to build lean mass. When you build lean mass, you're actually fixing your metabolic health, you're putting on weight the right way, and usually this happens through a process of eating calorie-dense foods that are also nutritionally dense and that are going to help you on this journey sustainably. So for you to understand context, I'm going to give you two recipes, one for fat loss and one for gaining muscle and weight. Now, if you're making a smoothie in the morning, somebody who gets on my plan and is looking for fat loss, I'll probably tell them to take a scoop of protein powder, mix it in water, maybe add some berries for a little bit of flavor and have it. But if you're someone who needs to gain muscle and who is looking to gain lean muscle and probably increase your weight slightly, I will ask you to make the same smoothie, but I will ask you to use Greek yogurt instead of water. Probably add a banana and a slightly high-calorie fruit like that is seasonal. You can also probably add a little bit of nut butter, which could be peanut butter or almond butter. Making a smoothie out of all of these ingredients will give you a whole lot more calories rather than making it with water and having it just with berries. Now, this is the same recipe essentially, but it has two different approaches. So with this practical example, you can see how something that can seemingly be the same recipe has two absolutely different approaches. And that holds true with almost everything that you eat during the day. It's very important that if you are on a muscle gain or a journey where you want to gain a few pounds, you include things like good fats. They have to be a very vital part of what you're consuming in your meals. Think of things like avocados, nuts, whole fat dairy, paneer, including a lot of yogurt. All of these things are going to ensure that you gain fat sustainably, but in a really smart and nutrient-dense way. Another fantastic snack, if you are on a journey to gain a few kilos, is probably to include nuts. Nuts are high in calorie, but also high in nutrition. I don't mean that you should be eating them in huge quantities, but including nuts that are unsalted in their natural form is definitely going to ensure that you get in an extra boost of calories through the day. Whole eggs are a fantastic option if you're somebody who eats eggs. Cook them in good quality organic butter and combine it with a good quality cheddar cheese. All of these things are high in good fat and they ensure that you get a lot of nutrition along with the calories that you're consuming. A fantastic breakfast option would be to start your day with organic rolled oats that are gluten-free. They are a great source of slow digesting carbs and fiber. Include things like a whole fat milk base along with it, add some nut butter and some seeds, and you have a fantastic combination. If you are a non-vegetarian, then going for things like mutton and fatty fish like salmon is a great option. Any of these meats are calorie dense, they are rich in omega-3, and they really help you to build muscle and also repair muscle after a good workout at the gym. If you're someone who's constantly battling sweet cravings but don't know how to get it the right way, then this option is right up your alley. You can combine oats, nut butter, you can include some melted dark chocolate, you can even include some raisins and other seeds and make a little concoction. You can turn it into little balls, keep them in the fridge and consume them whenever you have a craving of something sweet. Not only will this take care of your craving, but it will also give you nutrition while doing just that. Don't forget to strength train, prioritize sleep, and along with including these powerful foods, you're sure to see consistent changes over time. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share with me what is your favorite weight gain food or meal, or if you have any questions, just reach out to me in the comments below, and I'll be happy to give you all the answers that you need.